leap into the wild with 10 astounding animal facts right at your fingertips. Fact 1. Did you know? A snail can sleep for 3 years straight. Yes, 3 years. Fact 2. An octopus has not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts. Fact 3. A blue whale's heartbeat can be heard from 2 miles away. Fact 4. The tongue of a blue whale is so large that 50 people can stand on it. Fact 5. A housefly hums in the key of F. Fact 6. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. Fact 7. Kangaroos can't walk backwards. Fact 8. A shrimp's heart is located in its head. Fact 9. Starfish have no brains. And finally, Fact 10. A crocodile can't stick its tongue out. There you have it, 10 animal facts to wow your friends. Stay curious, stay informed, and tune in next time for more fascinating facts.